Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So in today's session I'm going to show you that how can we take trades according to the market situation. So now you can see here, if you analyze the market here, you can see this was the level, but now market is not making any new high. So now this is the level here, and if you analyze the market here, market is moving in this range now. So therefore I took my trade here with the margin of safety in a down direction, because the market was ranging here. So therefore I won this trade. Now after this candlestick I need to wait. So what I need to consider here is very simple, that okay, now you can see here market is going up. So my next level is here. Let me show you here. You can see here market broke this level previously. So now you can see market is now going up. So I need to wait and see the market movement. Okay, now you can see here market is getting the, I think it will get a support, making a new high. So if this candle gets a rejection and it closes above these lines, I will go here. Okay, now I cannot trust this area. So now what I need to do, you can see here, this is the level here. So this is the level here. Now okay, so still there is a gap to the level, so I can expect here a seller's entry. So therefore I took my trade in a down direction. So now let's see what happens here. The market needs to close as a winning candle in a down direction. So let's see. Okay, so I'm waiting here for this candle to get a huge rejection, and it has to come down again. So now you will see market is coming down, and we will definitely win this trade. So again you can see here, okay, because of my luck I won this trade. Now what I need to do is, okay, so again after the breakout I am seeing here a buyer's entry. So if I get a rejection I will go here, also again in an up direction, but I need to wait. Now at this area, now you can see here, this is the market movement. Okay, so now I need to decide to go with which level. So the market is showing to me that this is the next level here. So I can easily go here with this point. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so I can go here with the buyers, because I am seeing here a huge rejection from this point. I am seeing here a huge rejection from this point, and I am seeing here a huge rejection from this point. So it is a confirmation that this is a rejection, not a selling pressure. So therefore the next candle will go up, and also it is a breakout of this level. So we have so many confirmations here to go with the buyers. So therefore I took my trade in an up direction, and we will get here a bullish candle. You will see here we will get here a bullish candle. Okay, so after this candlestick I need to analyze the market again. Okay, so now you can see market is trying to go up. Now I can easily go here with the buyers. I have taken my trade here in an up direction. So now you can see here I took my trade here in an up direction, and now I will definitely win also this trade. Okay, so what will be the my next reversal area. Okay, so therefore you can see market is going up. Okay, a strong size entry because the minor movement is in up direction, so no issues. I need to analyze the market again. Okay, so at this area again I can go here with the buyers if I get a rejection. If I got a rejection here, I will go here with the buyers. I need a good rejection. Okay, I got it, so I can go here with the buyers confidently. Now you will see. Okay, now you will see the next candle will definitely go up, and it has to close above my entry point, because I want to show you here the rejection also. You can see I took my trade with this rejection. Because of this I will definitely win this trade, so no issues. Let's see. Okay, market is again trying to go up. Okay, so it has to close definitely above my entry point as a bullish candle, but unfortunately I won this trade, so no issues at all. It was my luck. Okay, so again I need to analyze the market here. Okay, market closed here. Okay, this is a very big gap up opening, so I cannot trust this gap up, so I will wait here. Okay, so now you can see market can also make here a bearish candle because of this gap up opening. So let's wait and see what happens here. Okay, a bullish candlestick here. Now let's see what happens here. So here in this zone my next level will be this one. This will be my next level, and I also need to check from which point market is getting the rejection. If I get a candlestick like this as a bullish candlestick, I will go here with the up direction, so I need to wait for this level. So let's see. Okay, market is going up. Making a new high, so it is a sure shot confirmation that the next candle will also go up from this zone, and my next level will be this one. So this will be my next level here. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so in this trading session I took all these trades one by one, and now you can see I explained each and every trade in a very efficient manner. So because of these things, you can see you can easily win your trades. Okay, now you can see again market is going up. So here you can see a rejection also. Okay, here you can see a continuation sign easily, so the next candle can also go up, but again a gap up opening, but market can also get a rejection and it can go up again. But because of the gap up opening, it is very bad opening for the candlestick, so try to avoid the gap up gap down opening. So now because of this thing, you can see market is going down. So now you can see market is moving like this, and I need to wait and see the next level. Okay, I can again go here. If I want to take a trade, market closed above the level, got the support and got the rejection, so again I can go here with the buyers. Okay, again I have taken one trade here in an up direction, so let's see what happens here. Okay, again a late entry, but I got the rejection, and I saw that market got the rejection from this zone, so it is a confirmation that market can again go up from this point. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so we need to wait and see. Okay, so a loss in trade, no issues. I'm going to take another trade to recover my loss. You can see here market closed exactly at the level, so this time the market needs to go up. So let's see. You can see here I have already drawn a level here, so this is a strong level. Market closed here, so because of this level market can make a bullish candle, and here we can recover our losses. So this will be my last trade, and if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment, and stay blessed you all. Have a blessed day ahead, and if you have any queries you can ask me on my Telegram. I'm always there for you all, so try to help each other, try to teach what you learn from me, from someone else. Try to learn and try to teach others, try to help them all, because everyone cannot afford losing the money. As I always say to you all, that you need to help each and other, because I also suffered a very hard time in trading, but now because of continuous practice and because of the continuous analysis, you can see how much accuracy I am getting here day by day, and I am explaining each and everything while I take my trades in the sessions. So again, a request from you all, help each other, try to learn what I'm trying to tell you, and you can learn also from other sources, but what I am showing to you all, it is very simple and it is understandable. So if you have any queries, you can ask me on my Telegram. You can join our Telegram group, Trading Skills. You can join our channel, Trading Skills. So stay blessed you all. Have a blessed day ahead. Bye for now.